Welcome to Mote Marine Laboratories' land-based coral nurseries located in the Upper Keys. Just some of Mote's many cutting-edge facilities dedicated to coral research and restoration. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to learn about Mote's groundbreaking efforts to save Florida's coral reefs. Mote Marine Laboratory is an independent, nonprofit research institution founded in 1955 by Dr. Eugenie Clark, known as the Shark Lady. What started as a one-room laboratory focused on shark research has grown into a global research powerhouse encompassing more than 35 world-class programs and centers, focused on everything from phytoplankton to harmful algal bloom mitigation, to marine and freshwater aquaculture, to shark, turtle, and manatee research, to coral reef restoration, and so much more. From its humble beginnings, Mote now has campuses stretching from Sarasota to the Florida Keys. Beyond Florida, Mote's reach spans the globe, with scientists conducting marine research internationally. In the Florida Keys, Mote's research focuses specifically on coral reef conservation and restoration. Coral reefs are vital ecosystems supporting 25% of all marine life, protecting our coastlines and driving our local economy. Florida's coral reef system is the only barrier reef in the continental United States. However, decades of pollution, overfishing, and changing water temperatures have led to a devastating decline in coral cover, down from 60% in the 1970s to just 2 to 3% today. Mote's holistic, science-based approach to overcoming the challenges faced by our coral reefs includes a complex matrix of asexual and sexual reproduction methods, land and field-based coral nurseries, an international coral gene bank, and a coral reef restoration crab hatchery research center. This holistic approach ensures that the corals we restore today are stronger and more adaptable to tomorrow's challenges. At these nurseries, we focus on Mote's science-based method of asexual reproduction to mass-produce coral. We use filtered seawater to maintain optimal conditions for coral growth. Each raceway can be isolated, allowing us to protect healthy coral from disease outbreaks or contaminants. Mote scientists have helped pioneer a propagation technique called microfragmentation. This allows corals to grow 25 to 50 times faster than they do naturally. By breaking coral into tiny pieces, Mote scientists stimulate rapid growth and eventually outplant these corals back into the ocean. Thanks to this method, we're able to grow corals in under 2 years to a size that would normally take a century. Since 2008, Mote has outplanted over 220,000 corals, many of which are now reproducing on coral reefs. Our work would not be possible without the support of our volunteers, donors, and the local community. You can get involved by joining a tour, volunteering, or even purchasing a Protect Our Reefs license plate, which helps fund our critical research and restoration efforts. Together, we can protect and restore Florida's coral reefs, ensuring they continue to support life for generations to come. Visit us at mote.org to learn more.